it's Wednesday, which means it's our Wednesday exercise of the week. My name is Emmanuel Osisera, your online personal trainer and wellness coach. And today we're going to continue our free weight exercise series with dumbbell chest press. So here we go. So from this angle, I want you to focus on a couple of things. One, as usual, we have our feet about shoulder width apart. The second thing is that our grip is going to be facing outwards, or in this case, outward towards the camera. And then lastly, as I'm bringing the weights up, I'm not clanking them. I'm bringing it right before it touches and then pulling it back down. Once again, as always, focus on squeezing our chest muscle, getting our mind muscle contraction, and pulling our arms in. Okay, now this angle, as you can see, my body is perfectly parallel with the ground. I'm engaging my glutes to keep the hips up. I'm engaging my core since I'm balancing the weight. And once again, I'm focusing on bringing the weights up by squeezing my chest. Bringing the weights up by squeezing my chest. And you know, the huge benefit in doing your chest presses like this on the ground or on a horizontal surface where you can put your whole back like this is it takes away from that negative strain that it puts on your shoulder from like a traditional bench press. So even some of you advanced lifters, try doing it on the ground or having back support when you do your chest press. That way you can just focus on your chest without the interference of your shoulder being strained or anything like that. So that is today's Wednesday exercise of the week. I hope it helps. As usual, I had a blast making this video for you guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, and let's do this again sometime.